Okay, we're live.
Okay. Give me 1 second just to pull up my UAU Idaho stuff. I had to restart.
Yeah, okay. Sucky
Okay,
that your computer's giving you so much problems.
Yeah, I just got a new one today, so I'm gonna go set that up when we're done.
Okay, that would be nice.
Won't ever have this issue ever again. Okay, what do we want to start with? Do we want to start with the we're doing lesson 4, right?
Yeah.
Legal preparation 2.
Yeah, let's start with that.
Okay. I can explain the first part pretty well. Just I'm gonna go over and make sure I got it right. The second one, I'm still struggling with the algebra formula.
For part 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll explain how I got the first one, and you can tell me if you got the same thing.
Okay.
You understand it. Okay, so first thing is we're talking about a four-sided die.
Mm-hmm.
And we're supposed to calculate the mean of the four-sided die. So what I did was it's I want to use the right word. It's the probability times the event. So I think that's how I had it down. So what I did is I just took each of the sides. There are only 4 possible events. It could be a 1, 2, a 3, or 4.
Yeah.
And then the probability of each one is 1/4, which is 0.25%.
Yeah.
And then what I did was I multiplied the event times the probability. So for example, it'd be 1 times 0.25.
Yeah.
It'd be 0.25 for the 1. And then the 2 times 0.25 is the 0.50. And then the 3 times
0.25 too.
0.75.
For 3?
Yeah, 3 times 0.25.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Then 4 times 0.25 is 1.
Yeah.
Oh, is something not right there?
No, that's right.
Okay. And then you add each of those up. You know what? That's not the answer I got earlier. I wonder what I did wrong.
What'd you get this time?
I think I got 2 earlier, but I got a 2.5 right now, so something...
Yeah, it's 2.5 because the answer sheet says it's 2.5.
Oh, yeah, then my math was right. I don't know what I did wrong earlier, but yeah. So, yeah, that's how I got it. And that kind of made sense to me. So, yeah. And then I don't know really how to, I don't have the formula quite down for coming up with a standard deviation. I know that we have to use the mean in order to obtain that, but I'm not quite sure the process.
Yeah. I wasn't sure either. I had to watch the video and then I looked at the answer key to see the formulas too. I'll show you if you want.
Do you have the way of explaining the formula without it being complex algebra?
Well, okay. So is this the right thing? No, that's not the right thing. Okay, so this, what I think of, I think it's just like, so the value minus the mean squared times the probability.
Okay, that's not too bad.
Yeah. And then, so you just do that math and then you add them together, get that, and then take the square root, or yeah.
Okay.
So that's what I got from the video and from looking at the answer key. So,
I'm tired of algebra.
right?
Yeah.
I'm like, can I just plug it into SPSS and figure it out for me?
That'd be great, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
All right, so we're ready to do the group meeting quiz?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, and the teacher emailed me back.
Uh-huh.
And he said we could join with somebody else if we wanted to, or we could just stay together. But for the final project, he says we should join with another group. But
Okay.
until then, we can just stay us two.
That's fine.
Yeah. Okay. So starting the quiz. Okay. I have completed the individual preparation. Yes. I like that he does those. Counts for points. Okay. So number 3.
Okay. Probability distribution.
The blood types of the portions given in the table of different probability distribution. Wouldn't that be true?
You know, I don't remember the definition. 1 second. My notes here. I spent most of my day trying to get those formulas down.
Yeah. I know. I watched like all the videos and everything, and it's still like not completely there.
Is that the one where the value has to be like 0, 1, or 2?
Zero. I think it's where it has to. I don't think it's that, but could be wrong. Well, 8.
The value of them added all together is 1.
1, which is what it's supposed to be.
Right.
So.
So I would say that that's true.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? So that's just 0.45, right?
Yes.
Okay. What is the probability that a randomly selected person will not have type O blood? So that's just the rest.
All the other numbers added up and they should equal 100, right?
Yeah. So it's 55% or 0.55. Right?
That's correct. Yeah.
Okay, so 6.
A combined total of 54 trials of the dogs. Of 22 out of 54. Okay.
So, but for number 6, it would just be 1 divided by 7, right?
Oh, I'm sorry, I missed number 6.
Okay. I was like, what are you talking about?
Okay, let's see.
Oh, wait.
Did I miss something?
There's a little passage.
Oh, you know what I did? I'm sorry. I put the 55% for number 6. I didn't even read the question. All right. Let's see. Seven. It'd be 1 for 7, right?
Yeah, 1 divided by 7. So that's 0.143.
Okay. So number 7 was the one I was working on earlier. I'm not sure how to answer that because that's just a 40% success rate, right?
One second. I haven't finished reading it.
Was there a rule that stated likelihood?
Yeah, I'm trying to think. Well, it's 22 times, and then there's so the probability that they just randomly guessed it is 0.143. So that's a pretty low probability. So I would say this provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. Just because the probability is so low that they just randomly do it,
Where'd you get the? Okay.
It's from answer 6.
Gotcha. You're right. Okay.
So 8 now.
Yes. All right. So we're gonna.
So that would be 0.13 for 8, right?
Let me check. How are you doing that so quick?
Well, it's just reading the chart.
Okay, you're right. Is that right though? Let's think about that for a minute. So, I mean, is it asking us? I think we're looking at that wrong, isn't it? Don't we have like a 1 in?
Well, I think it's just because I was looking at the homework and I looked at the answers. I'm pretty sure those numbers are just the probability. Like in the M&Ms, I don't think it's like an even amount of number of colors in each bag. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so it wouldn't be 1 out of 6?
Yeah, because it's different.
Why would they ask us what the? I mean, the answer's right there.
Yeah. That's how a lot of the homework is. It's like you just read the chart and it's there.
All right, so we can. I know how to figure out green.
So green, we need to add all of those up and then take that number and minus it from 100 or point. Yeah, 100.
I got 0.16.
Okay, 1 second.
The same?
Yeah, 0.16. So that would be 0.84. Yeah.
Oh, it's just so much fun. I actually like this.
Yeah, I know. I like this too because it's super easy.
ACT.
The observations are less than or equal to 1.
Half the observations are less than or equal to what number?
So we just arrange the numbers in numerical order and then whatever is in the middle. Or do you think it's the median?
You've been asking us. Let me take a look at this.
Is that the mean or the median or?
The observations are less than or equal to.
I think it would be the median.
Okay.
Because that's the middle number, and then so everything, half of it is equal to the median or less than, right?
We would do that by adding all the numbers and figuring out the average, right?
Well, it already gives the median.
Oh, okay. You're correct. Okay, never mind.
So the top 25 students scored above what number? Is that the third quadrant?
No. Oh, wait. Okay, hold on.
Okay. Yeah. What do you,
I mean, it looks like it's kind of asking us questions from like last week too, right?
Yeah, I guess so. So what do you think?
ACT are less than or equal. Oh,
I'm thinking it's either the maximum or the Q3.
I'm trying to remember from last week. Yeah, it's the middle. The middle is 24, and
Right. So that would be in the 50th percentile, right?
correct.
So that's why I'm thinking 27, because 35 would be in the 100th percentile, right?
Correct.
So I'm thinking 27.
Okay.
That's my guess. And then for 13, I'm pretty sure it's if the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, then the probability is negative.
Did you skip one?
Well, that's 13. We just did 12, right?
No, I thought we did 11.
Oh, 11 is 24.
It's a median, right?
Yeah, and then 12 is the 27.
Let's see. The rules of probability. Oh, wow. I think I remember these. Let me see. Let me look. Wow. Yeah, it'd be that if the probability is high, probability is positive, and the probability is low, probability is negative. Is that what you have?
Yeah, that's what I have.
Okay.
Okay, good to submit it then?
Yeah, let's see how we did.
Okay. Hopefully
I didn't answer something.
Oh.
So we did this one. Oh, we did the blood type one.
I got one wrong just because I put a decimal after it. A period. At least I think so. I'm going to email the teacher.
5. I have that right.
Did you get, did you submit?
Redo 4, and I think it's 0.55.
Did you get one wrong?
I got 2 wrong.
What'd you get wrong?
4 and 5.
Oh.
I think I swapped the answers in the wrong place.
What'd you put for 4?
At 0.55.
Oh, and then for 5 you put 0.45.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we got it right when I went through it, but I just didn't put it wrong. So.
Yeah. I got 5 wrong because I put 0.55 point.
Gotcha.
So I'm gonna email the teacher and see if I can get rid of that.
Well, hopefully it just reviews that we did it right when we went through it all.
Yeah. Okay. Well, anything else then? That was a short one.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. Well, I guess what day are we meeting again?
Yeah. So I called my work yesterday, and I don't think I won't start this week for sure. So we can meet. The next one's due Friday, right?
Yes.
So do you want to meet Thursday or do you want to meet Friday?
I've got to do home teaching Thursday, so Friday will work for me.
Okay. Friday at 6 your time, or?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Okay, we'll do that.
All right, thank you.
Okay, have a good night.
All right, take care.
Okay, bye.
Bye.